Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over crude oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. Today crude oil is down about 50 basis points and I do believe we may be heading down more. So let's check the 4-hour chart. As we can see here on the MACD, it's converging and it's pointing down, so we do expect there is strong downward momentum. And as we can see, for the bull side, the candle stopped right above the 18 moving average, so there is some support there. But I do believe the overall, we are still overbought. As you can see on the RSI, it was above 70 for yesterday, and I do believe it's still oversold. But the argument for the bulls is we close right above the 200-day moving average. So the next support, other than the 200-day moving average, will be the 9-day moving average. So let's mark that. And that is at the price of $12.60. And that movement from now to then is approximately a move of 2.15% down. And next, we check the weekly chart. This is the 50-week moving average. It looks like a resistance. We touched it, and the price of crude oil did not close above it. Most likely this week we will be closing below it, and we may fill the gap in between here. And let's check the next module. So on here we have the current trend of USO or crude oil, and right here this trend dates back to November 10th to August 15, 2017. So I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So as we start with the current trend, we have the candles right are touching the bottom Bollinger Band. After that, it touches the upper Bollinger Band. Strong signal for the bulls of an upward trend. And it continues on. We've found support down here as well. And we'll make this color purple, designating that it touches the middle or found support on the middle Bollinger Band. If you're not familiar with the Bollinger Band, it's a tool used to measure price level and volatility. We saw this instance twice right here, and another instance where the bulls reach the candlesticks above the upper Bollinger Band. And let's draw on to the trend in question. So initially we started down here. We have it touching the bottom Bollinger Band, and we have another instance. Yeah, I drew that as red. So we have a green circle up here indicating that it touches the upper Bollinger Band, and it made a slight dip below the middle Bollinger Band on this instance. That's one excuse, but the second time it gained some good strong foothold or support, and we do end up at the upper Bollinger Band right here. So what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points that are identical. So what does this mean? The outcome will be most likely the same. That's my reasoning behind this module. So where would this trend head to? We'll see this in the forecast module or projection model. Currently this is at day 0. 1 day out, 2 day out, 3 day out, 4 day out, 5 day out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. And it's currently overlapping. And again, the module that we just took a look at was November 10th, August 15, 2017, and looks like USO or crude oil will be down around 1.6%. And that is all. If you enjoy this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.